What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you haven't been here before, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. It's me, Manders. As you can tell, I've already put my makeup on. Today we were testing a new product from my most recent haul. This is the Summer in St. Tropez 16 color shadow palette from BH Cosmetics. So this is the palette right here, and this is the look, the first look of many I'm sure that I'm going to come up with. So if you want to see how I got all of this, stick around. All right, so we are going to take a clean brush, and I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and we are going to go in with the shade Cabana. So that's this nice matte purple. And I'm just taking it a little bit higher than the crease, and I'm just blending it in. I'm using my Morphe R34 brush. And I'm just taking those simple brush strokes back and forth like a windshield washer, like a windshield wiper. And I'm just deepening up that color just a little bit. Taking my Morphe M441, this is clean, it's just stained. I'm going to just tap into the shade Nightlife here. And I'm going to tap that off, and I'm just going to buff that around the edge of that initial shade. So just using a very light hand. Oh, this is pigmented. Wow, can you see that? Oh my goodness. Beautiful. This is a little bit more than I was expecting. Wow. Whoa. You guys see that? That's nuts. I like barely touched this. All right. Well, let's go into the other side now, shall we? Gorgeous though, so I'm sorry if these lines are just not clear at the moment. So now I'm going to go back in with that first brush, and I'm going to go back in with the shade Cabana. This is like purple peacock pink. I'm like digging this. Wow. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? That is so freaking nice, but I do need to fix up that pink. That's funny. It's like you can clearly see the line. The pigment on this is freaking awesome. Like awesome. Like that is nice. I'm going to clean up these lines after, but for now I am super, super impressed. Way to go, BH Cosmetics. So this is like almost like, this is the second BH Cosmetics palette I've ever owned, and I'm just so excited right now. I'm like, wow, that is way more than I was anticipating. I'm really excited. So I'm just going to clean up these lines. Let me know in the comments below how your day is. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I am just blown away with this color right now. Like seriously. Like I don't want to go too crazy, but I'm kind of like, do I? I don't know. I want to keep it like pretty simple. So I'm going to do a trick that I learned from Gab and Glam. I'm going to use a little bit of micellar water, and I'm going to clean everything up right now. And away we go. Excellent. Now I'm going to put a little bit more concealer on there because I did just do that. So just give me 1 second. It's an angled brush for this. All right. So far, so good. So the next one I'm going to use is I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is Super Yacht. Super Yacht. That took me a long time. It's like a nice metallic. That is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to get a brush and I'm actually just going to take this little teeny tiny brush right here and I'm just going to pack it on my lid just really slowly. Shoot, that's awesome. This is my Morphe M149 brush. Can you see that? That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm so excited right now. It just blends so well with those initial colors that I used. And I'm just going to take that color just sort of to the inside of my eyelid. Now, taking that same brush, I am going to just clean it off. And next, I'm going to go in with the shade right beside it. This is the shade Beach Club. Oh yeah, that's gonna look real nice. And I'm going to focus that on the rest of the inner corner of my lid. These are just so creamy. Just for like a pressed shadow, like this is just gorgeous, guys. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of a bigger brush. So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to go back in with Super Yacht and I'm just going to drag that just right in between those two colors just to blend so it looks seamless. I hope that you can see on camera. It looks really good in person. And I'm just going to touch it up a little bit. And then going in with this clean, I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to clean it again. And I'm going to dip into this shade. Oh, I don't know, this might... into this shade Coastline for my inner corner. Wow, it is so pretty. It's kind of like got like a green undertone. I don't know if you can tell, but wow. And this is in the shade Coastline. All right, now I'm not going to smudge out my lower lash line or put any liner on. I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I will be right back. These are the colors I used. Cabana, Nightlife, Super Yacht, Coastline, and Beach Club. And welcome back, beauty. So I put the rest of my makeup on and I have been wearing this for a little while. This is my final look using this brand new palette. These are the swatch colors that I've already posted. However, I am so freaking impressed with this right now. So these were really easy shadows to work with. I did stick to pinks and purples. I know it's a little all over the place. However, I'm very happy with it. I am really liking how easy and pigmented these shadows were. And seriously, with a color story like this, I can make a lot of different looks. So I am definitely going to be featuring this in a future video. Probably 6 looks, 1 palette, maybe more if I can get away with it. I would love to be able to do 16 looks, 1 palette, because I have heard her say it before. Kaylee Wesley says you can turn any shadow into a look, but I just will challenge myself to that. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for sticking through this with me, and let me know in the comments below, have you tried this palette? Do you like this palette? And what are your thoughts on this palette? So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on my videos, and ring that notification bell, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. I love you all. Bye.